The Aprilboy 10 inches rearview mirror dashcam is a cutting-edge device designed to enhance your driving experience and ensure comprehensive safety on the road. Equipped with 3 cameras, including front, interior, and rear, this dashcam offers a 2.5 resolution for clear, detailed recordings. The 10-inch IPS touchscreen provides vivid colors and reduces glare, even in bright sunlight. With its intelligent screen split function, you can simultaneously observe views from the cameras, making driving and parking safer and more convenient. This dashcam also features GPS functionality, which provides precise location tracking and real-time speed display on the mirror screen. GPS data is recorded alongside video footage, ensuring accurate navigation, trip logging, and reliable evidence in case of any driving incidents. The device's Wi-Fi capability allows you to connect it to the VDure app, enabling you to view, download, and share recorded videos and photos directly from your smartphone. Loop recording ensures that your SD card doesn't fill up, as old footage is automatically overwritten by new recordings, while the G sensor locks emergency videos, preventing them from being overwritten. The superb night vision capability of this dashcam is made possible by WDR technology, which balances bright and dark areas to capture high-quality footage in any lighting condition. The night vision function ensures that the entire cabin is clearly visible, even in total darkness. The camera's 320 swivel function allows for easy adjustment of the shooting angle, ensuring that you can record road conditions in real time without any delay. The adjustable viewing angle feature provides a wider coverage area, while the large square screen offers a better view of live images compared to smaller screens. You can adjust the camera view by sliding the screen up and down, allowing for more detail without needing to move the camera itself. For all-around protection, the dashcam is equipped with a 170 front camera and a 140 rear camera. These cameras can be rotated vertically by 180, providing optimal viewing angles and 24-hour parking monitoring. The car parking monitor, combined with built-in miniature batteries and G-sensors, offers continuous protection. In the event of an impact, the cameras automatically activate and record a short video, providing peace of mind that your vehicle is protected around the clock. The smart rear view angle function switches between driving and parking modes, offering a clear view of all vehicles and objects behind you when driving and providing a closer reverse image when parking.